Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your speaker MTUNE M1. To perform a soft reset, firstly make sure that your speaker is turned on and then press and hold power button at the top of the speaker to turn off. Now your speaker disconnected from the phone, so we should see it. I guess it's some back. Yeah, no, okay. We have it disconnected from the phone, so now we should turn on the speaker by pressing hold power button to reconnect it with the phone. And it can fix some small bugs. And now we should see that it's connected. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!